Hi and welcome to another video. In this video we'll be looking at and comparing the sizes and a few of the features of my Samsung Galaxy Fold 5G first generation and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So first of all, if we have a quick look in comparisons and sizes, we can see the iPhone 12 Pro Max, it has a 6.7 inch screen, and then when opened up, the Samsung Galaxy Fold has a 7.3 inch screen. So as you can see, both screens are, I think, OLED, and they're very crisp and everything else. So I'd say both of them are fantastic for using and everything else and watching. And of course, one good thing is perhaps with the Fold is that it does have a bigger screen and it can fold up just like in this animation. So yeah, so if we have a quick look at comparisons for size, so you can see here they are roughly the same height. So I think looking at the height and dimensions, the iPhone 12 Pro Max these are millimeters, are 168.8, 78.1 wide and 7.4 thick. And then the Samsung Galaxy Fold is 160.9, so it's just a little bit taller, 62.8 across, this is open, and also 17.1 on thickness, that's millimeters. So as you can see, they are roughly the same height, and when you compare their width as well, you can see, of course, when folded out, the Samsung Galaxy Fold is actually of course going to be bigger because it's got a bigger screen. So we have a look as well when it's closed. So if we close on here, you can see between the two here on height wise, you can see they are roughly, it is I think 0.01 of a millimeter in thickness, and again you can see here the actual the width, and then also the depth of it. You can see here that of course the Fold is going to be thicker, but weight wise both of them are, I think the iPhone is 226 grams and the Samsung Fold is 276, and of course because it's folding screen. But weight wise, when you put them both in there, it does feel heavier, of course, this one here, but this is still quite a heavy phone, and it feels quite heavy as well because this is the silver color, and I believe this is stainless steel on the side. So to be honest, in real life they're both heavy, and I don't think either one will make too much difference. It's just this one perhaps will be go into your pocket a bit better because it does fold up even though it's a little bit thicker. Looking at the back of them, as you can see on the cameras, so both have got three lenses on as their main cameras on the back. Of course, we know the iPhone has got the Pro 12 megapixel camera, so it's got an ultra wide and telephoto camera, and of course it's got the new LiDAR sensor here. And of course the Samsung has three cameras as well. You've got a triple camera, so it's 12 megapixels, another 12 megapixels telephoto, and a 16 megapixel ultra wide as well. Both of them are fantastic pictures they take and video. Both can do 4K at 60 frames per second, slow motion, and HDR. I think only the iPhone can do Dolby Vision, but here you can do HDR 10 plus as well, so I presume the iPhone can do that as well in this model. So as you can see between them, it has been a transition because as I've been using Android phones for 5 years, and it's the first time I've got an iPhone as my mainly driver that I'll be using. But yeah, so this is just a quick comparison between the sizes, and then in my next video I'll go through how I had my experience of moving from Android to iPhone and what problems I had, and was it smooth and everything else. Okay, so thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.